Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I'm just going to start today by thanking you all for joining us. This is the fifth day of the series of 15-minute webinars. My name's Ollie. I work as part of the 2020 Fusion support team. And so today I'm just going to be covering some of the top 2020 cloud questions we receive in the support team. The first question is, how do I open my 2020 cloud window within the Fusion application? Okay, so obviously the 2020 cloud window is a separate window to the catalog items palette. And to launch this window, you can go to the Insert tab. You've got the catalog items button here, and if you click on the bottom half, this will expand the menu, and as you can see, you've got 2020 cloud. So you can separate this. You can have it as a floating window. You can dock it to the other side if you like. You can even set it to sort of auto hide. So you click here as and when you need the window to appear. Me personally, I prefer to have it docked alongside with the other windows. So I would normally stack it on top here, pop it right in the middle there, and then this gives me the ability to switch between the catalog items, 2020 cloud window, and the navigate view window. As I said, we literally receive a call about this every day because, as you can see, it's quite easy to close down the 2020 cloud window by simply clicking on the X here. So just a quick reminder, you go to Insert, Catalog items, click on the bottom half of the button, and this will reopen the window. Okay. Going to move on to question 2 now. Also a quick demo on how to simply navigate through 2020 Cloud. Okay. I'm going to start by logging in. You can hit the checkbox to always remember your email, which I recommend doing. So as you can see, the first tab we're presented with the news feed. Okay, the news feed will keep you up to date with all the recent activity within 2020, and any new catalog updates, all that sort of stuff really. So as you can see, you can scroll down. There's a few blogs here, a few updates. So for example, you can click on read more, and this would direct you to a full-on web page with that article. Okay. So when it comes to using 2020 Cloud, obviously you've got the newsfeed first. You can now switch to the Browse tab. Okay, and as you can see, you've got your drop-down boxes. You should be pretty familiar with these because they are very similar to the catalog items window. The first drop-down box is the manufacturer's list. So here you can obviously select all, or you can pick and choose what manufacturers use, because you may not use all of them. In this example, I'm just going to go straight to BSH appliances. Okay, so that's the first drop-down. Second drop-down states what catalogs are within that manufacturer. So as you can see here, we've got Bosch, Gaggenau, Neff, and Siemens. Again, for this example, I'm just going to switch straight to Neff. And now below you can see there's sort of 405 results, and this is all the latest products straight from Neff. Again, so you can scroll down the list, or you've got your different pages here, so you can go on to the next page. Okay. I'm going to switch back to showing all, because I just want to show off the description box where you can type a keyword. So as you can see, I've got every option selected, and you have this filter box here. You can type a keyword. In this example, I will type chair, hit enter, and you can see it's bringing up a sort of 50 results for chairs, and so you've got quite a wide selection there. Okay, so that's the basic way of filtering through 2020 Cloud and accessing the products you need to use for your designs. We're going to move on to the next question now, question 3. This is a very popular question. Can I change the materials and dimensions of my 2020 Cloud models? We'll start with materials. When it comes to materials, you can change the material of a 2020 Cloud model. You would simply select the model there and then press Control and U on your keyboard. You can now see, so these are all the different materials that are applied throughout this appliance, and it's similar procedure as before. You can navigate through here and assign any colour you like. Quick tip, if you use this on decorative items and you seem to have a model where you always change the material, save it as a grouped item. This will save you the time in future designs, okay, because you won't have to keep reapplying that same material. Going on to the second part of question 3, we're going to talk about dimensions. Can I change the dimensions of my 2020 Cloud models? For the majority of the items, there will be no option to change the dimensions, and as these models are exactly what you would order directly from a supplier. So yes, we can add in a model now, and you would see that it is locked. For example, we'll just grab this micro from Siemens. As you can see, this is locked. As I said, the reason this is locked is because these are real-life dimensions, and this is exactly what you would order from your manufacturer. Just a quick note. We have enabled the option to modify the dimension of certain freestanding appliances. The reason being is this allows Fusion designers to represent old appliances that are not available in catalogues in 2020 Cloud. So an example here of what we have enabled is I've got this freestanding washing machine, and as you can see, we go straight to the Items tab, and the length, depth, and height fields are available to adjust. Okay. So as I said, for the majority of items, you will not be able to change the dimensions because technically there is no need. But for certain freestanding appliances, we have enabled that option. Question 4 is, why do I need to create an account to sign into 2020 Cloud? The reason you need to create an account is because upon creating your 2020 Cloud account, this is linked to the user community. And when you're going through the form of creating the account, it asks you to choose a market region. It's very important that you choose the correct market region, as this dictates what catalogues are available to you when logging into 2020 Cloud. So we'll just switch to the user community now. And as I said, when creating a 2020 Cloud account, it does give you the ability to log into a 2020 Fusion user community. And as you can see here, there's quite a few topics on there already. This top one here is decorative catalogue. What do you think? Obviously, if there's any items within 2020 Cloud in the decorative catalogue that you can't find or you would like us to add, please just log onto the community and post a quick line here. Okay, so yeah, that's why you need a 2020 Cloud account, because upon registering you choose your market region, which dictates what catalogues are available to you. Can I use 2020 Cloud without a internet connection? Right, to log in and use 2020 Cloud, you will require a stable internet connection. This is because 2020 Cloud is a live stream of data. So you need the internet connection because it's constantly reading and writing. The benefits of it being a live stream of data is that you're guaranteed to always have access to the latest and most up-to-date catalogues. But please bear in mind, once you've added a item or model into your plan, it's basically downloaded and it will be stored within your ROM file. So if it come at a later time, if you haven't got an internet connection and you need to reopen the existing plan, your models will still be displayed as they have already been added from the 2020 cloud and are downloaded into your plan. Okay, so that was the top 5 common questions we received in the 2020 Fusion support team. Obviously, if there's any questions, feel free to either call us or email us. The 2020 Fusion support team is open Monday to Friday, 9 AM to 6 PM. We have a communal email address, which is fusionsupport@2020spaces.com, and you can call us on 01233 635 533. Again, I just want to thank you everyone for joining today, and have a nice weekend. Thank you.